A 2014 VF Commodore, going to do the cabin filter change. So unlike the ordinary inside the glove box, the cabin filter on these Commodores is underneath here. So what you're going to have to do, you have to take off these 5 clips, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you pry it open. So once the clips are all taken out, make sure you pop these out too. Be gentle so you don't lose them. Like so. Once I get to taking all of them out, I'll come back to the video. Okay. So now that all these clips have been removed, simply just look underneath here, and there you can remove the filter. So you got to reach here, grab it out. That's the old one. Okay, here we've got a new one. So I'll take it out of the packaging and I'll show you how to install it. So here we've got the new filter. So what I usually do is fold it like this, so it's easy to install. Push it into the hole. It's hard to record doing this with one hand now that it's in. You just put it into its location. There you go. So that's how it's supposed to be sitting. Like so. It's supposed to be up this way, with the 2 corners on the top. And that's how you do the install on a cabin filter for the VF Commodores. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.